Welcome to the next lecture. I hope you must have completed the tasks of your previous lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the structure of an HTML program and its layout. And in the end, I promise you will be able to create your first web page. So let's start. To write an HTML program means designing a web page. You just need to learn a set of tags. Once done, you are ready to go and publish your site. But as each program has a well-defined structure, your HTML program will also follow this rule. So let's learn the basic structure of an HTML program. How to define the structure? This figure specifies the structure of an HTML program. Your complete HTML program can consist of multiple tags. And there are some tags that always need to be there to make your program qualify as an HTML program. Did you notice these? These are actually the tags. Any HTML program is made of tags. Tags always start with a less than sign and end with a greater than sign. We will discuss in detail about the tags in our next lesson. Here, notice the first element. It is less than sign, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML and the greater than sign. This declaration is used to tell the browser the type of document it is dealing with. So doc type stands for document type. Since ours is an HTML document, so we will have to write less than sign, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML and the greater than sign. This is done to tell the web browser that it is an HTML document. The second line of the program uses the HTML tag. This tag is actually the root element and wraps all other tags. So it means that all the tags should be placed within this tag only. The head tag contains the header information such as title of the page, metadata, styles or scripts. Each of these information is specified in their corresponding tags. And all these tags should be contained within the head tag. For example, we can include title tag within the head tag. Confused? No, you shouldn't be. We are here to answer all your queries. Let us simplify. Title is the title of the page. Have you ever seen the title that is displayed when you open a web page in your web browser? That title is defined using the title tag. So here is your task 1. Just go and browse any page and check its title. Got it? Good. Please don't forget to mention the answer in the comment section below. Now let us proceed further. Other tags that can be used within the head tag are script and no script tags. Well, you will use these tags with JavaScript. The style tag. This tag is used for specifying the style information. We will take it up when we will learn CSS. The meta tag that is used to specify the metadata. Now what is metadata? Well, metadata is actually data about data. So this tag will contain information about your current HTML document. This includes keywords, author, page description and setting the viewport. We will take the meta tag in detail in the later lessons. The body tag contains all those tags which are used to specify the content, formatting or layout. For example, if you wish to include an image in your web page, you should place using its corresponding tag in the body section. Easy, right? Now, let us come to the concept of closing tags. Did you notice these tags? These are the closing tags. And just notice that they always include a /. HTML tags can be closing tags, also called as paired tags, or singular tags. Paired tags always require a closing tag. For example, this is an example of a closing tag. Singular tags, however, do not need a closing tag. Don't worry, we will discuss these in detail in our upcoming videos. Now that you have understood the basic structure of an HTML program, shall we try and code the first HTML program? Let's start. What you just have to do is follow these steps. Open Notepad in your PC, or if you have any other editor as mentioned in the previous lesson, and type the following code. Once done, save your file with any name of your choice, but don't forget to give the extension as .html, like this. This converts your file into a web page. As simple as that. The last step is to go to the location where you saved your file. Did you observe its icon? It will be the icon of your default browser. Just double-click it to open and it will open in your default browser. Please note that HTML is case insensitive. It means that you can enter the tags in both uppercase as well as lowercase. It doesn't matter. Now here is your task 2. Write your first HTML code and execute it yourself. Once done, you can proceed to the next lesson where we will jump to the world of tags, and more tags. To keep yourself updated, click the subscribe button, and to get notified of the subsequent videos, don't forget to press the bell icon.